We're making some brunch, just sauteing some peppers and onions, and I'm going to add some beans to it and some spices and make some bannock. Secret to good beans: garlic powder, onion powder, chaat masala. So good. And this bread you just pre-measure out at home, so you just have to add the water and the butter, let it sit for 10 minutes and fry it up. Bread's a cooking. Beans were good. Making another piece of bread. Lots of bird action around. Just eating the last piece of bread. Everything was delicious. And we'll check back. Interrupting hiking for an ice cream. Let's see what's down Bear Alley. Either the rain scared people away, or everyone's late coming, but it's 3:30 on a Saturday at Killarney in a long weekend. This place is usually packed in here. The weather did change from rain. This is really nice. Back to sun again. Anyway, we're going down here. Just come down on this. All right, back up we go. Fast forward, we're back. I'm going to prepare some potatoes for dinner. I'm going to put some mushrooms, onions, chop up some potatoes, wrap them in tinfoil, and put them over the fire, which will be going when I need it. And then fry up some more spicy chicken sausage. Alrighty, it's all chopped up. Just got to put it together, add some spices, chopped up some mushrooms and onions for tomorrow. And let's see what we get out of all this mess. Dinner was good. Everything's cleaned. Now we're just relaxing. These guys are looking for wood to burn. That was the same neighbors that were shitting in the woods in the daylight. We could make a whole video out of these guys. What not to do at provincial parks. That's my morning wake-up call. It's Sunday and time to get out of bed. All right, up out of the tent. Fire's going. Now to make coffee. I had to come back here because this is very pretty. Just did a little bushwhacking from there to come out here. All right, here we go. We're doing the Lake of the Woods Trail. Wish us luck. It's difficult with steep hills. No biking, no side-by-siding, no skidooing, just hiking. Oh, here we go. Where you at, girl?
Right here, honey.
We're going this way. We just conquered a steep section. Marshy area. Lots of pretty yellows all around us. A rock. I'm going up. Up. And we're going this way. Up some more. Pretty little outlook off the trail. Some more rocks. There's a lake down here. When you see, you bushwhack. When you see ridge lines in Killarney, you bushwhack. So sometimes they pay off to beautiful views. And sometimes it's just added exercise. Like so. Pretty, but yeah. All right, this looks like a view. Very nice. All right, we enjoyed some views. I'm back at it. Karen? Signs. Oh, rocky rocks. We're going up there. Okay, we made it. Up some more. That may be Silver Peak, the highest point in the park. Okay, we came from in there. Some more views of the mountain range. Beautiful. All right, on we go again. There's lots of photo opportunities on this trail, and we're loving it. We're taking our own time, enjoying every little nook and cranny aspect of it, all these beautiful views. We're in no rush. The only thing we got going against us is daylight. That's it. Some more rocks. Still can't get over this view. I mean, camera doesn't do it justice, but it's very, very beautiful, and it just keeps going, stretching on. Better get going. Hiking buddies ahead of me. I'm coming for you, girl. It's a really beautiful trail. The last pops of color in the woods. Back into the woods we go. Gotta go up. Lots of maneuvering around rocks. There's Karen. Follow the rock, Karens. Back in the woods we are. Maybe radix. Well, that's what I'd say they are. Who knows? Back into the beautiful land of the yellows. We're really watching out for the markers because, wow, you can kind of tell what a trail is, I guess. There's a lot of leaves down. Oh, we got ourselves a little boardwalk. Game trail. Beaver Dam over here. There's a lot of root section going on. Oh, we're going this way. Up we go. Big, huge rock. And the water's down there. We may have been up there. I don't know if this goes around. Regardless, we're on this side now. I didn't do a lot of research on this trail, so I'm not sure if it just does a whole loop around. I think it does, but that's about it. beautiful in here. We've been just taking our sweet time, like I said, pitter-pattering, enjoying the view, taking lots of photos because it's beautiful. Once again, you can see the peak up here. We must have came across all of this side. One day. All right, enough photos to catch up to my hiking buddy now. That's kind of cool. I'm going back this way. Another view. This is neat. It's growing straight out of this rock. Perseverance, persistence, and determination. Back into the woods we go. More woods. Thick in here. Well, from side to side anyway. Not a whole lot of anything but trees. I'll view the lake again. My sidekick's coming down behind me. We're gonna let her be because she doesn't like when anyone watches her come down steep sections, and I get it, so I'm going ahead. All right, we're coming back down. Finally gonna be out at the lake in a moment. And actually, we just realized that when I was taking photos of this little piece of land that jutted out, we were up here doing it. So that's kind of neat. Still going down. Oh, right there, almost there. Nice little narrow path. I think we're almost out. Look out. It comes right out. lookout was nice. We're on our way out now. Just came from down here. Hopefully, we're going up here, and that's the last hill we have to do. Oh, we're going up. Hopefully, there's no more hills. Just coming down. Come down from way up here. I gotta go down this way a little bit more. Hopefully out. I've said that a few times now, but let's see. I have visuals of the road. Yay, it's out here. It's out there. We see the sign, Batman. We see the sign. We did it. We did it. There's a sign. And we're out. Yay! All right, we're finished. All in all, a good trail. Good workout. For us out of shape people, it was a challenge. Fast forward, we're going to cook dinner. This is a turkey breast. I can't say I've ever cooked one before. We'll see how this goes. Let's check on the turkey breast. Looks good. Water's boiling for all of our instance. Dinner is served. Well, this was delicious. It doesn't look delicious right now because I mix my stuff together. Sometimes. Don't judge me, you probably do too.
Everyone does.
But yeah, it was delicious. We're stuffed, but we still have dessert. Signing off for tonight. Dessert didn't happen. Licorice happened. Good morning. Last day in Killarney. Making myself go to the lavatory. It is feeling like -4 outside, so it's a little hard to get out of bed because it's nice and warm. But here I go. Fast forward. We came down to the lighthouse area again. We decided to come to the local coffee shop and get a coffee instead of making one today. And we're probably going to stop for another one because it was delicious. Now my friend's like over here. And I'm out exploring here. Still chilly out. I'm always fascinated by the rocks here. The colors. It's cool. A little gray today. The holiday Monday. Another view for you. Beautiful. Now I gotta get back to the road. One more look at Georgian Bay. Which looks like the ocean. And back down we go. Alright, if you want to veer in there, I think that's where the Tarvat Trail starts. Takes you right out to the coast line again. It's really nice in there. Lots of rocks. Fast forward, time to pack up. I was impressed with my bed. Really liked it. I had a wool blanket on the bottom, doubled, and then 2 more wool blankets on top, and this sleeping bag. And I was pretty good. Sometimes I was a little cool. I just had to adjust the blankets so the draft wouldn't come in, but all in all, yeah, I loved it. I wasn't sure if I showed this spot where the Choggamongster struck at the campsite. All clean now. We're almost all packed up, so we're gonna say goodbye now. Until next time. Goodbye, Killarney. See you next time.